Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Very often when we prepare the breakfast dishes, be it idli, dosa, upma, pongal, chapati, puri, anything, we are sometimes confused what to make as a side dish. And this side dish has to be something which we can prepare quickly with minimal ingredients and ready without taking too much of time. So today I am going to show you 6 different types of chutneys which you can serve along with any of your breakfast items. So here goes. Chutney number 1 we are going to make with these groundnuts or peanuts. Peanut chutney. The ingredients you require are half cup of peanuts, a few curry leaves, 2 green chillies, a small piece of ginger, salt, Asafoetida and some oil. Oil in a pan, about a tablespoon of oil, and add these raw groundnuts to it. Fry them for about 3 or 4 minutes till they are reddish brown color. When the groundnuts are done, add some curry leaves also to this and just stir fry them for a few seconds more. Switch it off. Add a small piece of ginger. And I am taking today 2 green chillies. Allow it to cool and we'll grind it into a chutney in the blender jar. Now add some hing to this, hing or Asafoetida, and also some salt. Grind it together. Now we have ground the chutney into a paste. Let's do the tempering. Just take half a teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splatter. And pour it on top of the chutney. Your tasty peanut chutney is now ready to be served. Next we make chutney number 2, that is tomato onion chutney. For this again heat a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil. Heat a tablespoon of Urad Dal. Add Urad Dal to the oil and also 3 dry red chillies. And fry them till the dal is browned. When the dal is well browned, add these chopped onions. I have taken 2 onions and 2 ripe red tomatoes for this. Also a small piece of tamarind. Again fry this till the onions are well done. Add salt while frying the onions. It will get done faster. When the onions are translucent, add in the tomatoes also and the small piece of tamarind. Again fry everything together till the tomatoes become very soft and mushy. The tomatoes have become quite soft. Everything is fried well. Switch it off. Allow it to cool and then we will grind it into a chutney in the blender jar. Now we will grind this into a chutney. This is ground and ready. I did not add any water while grinding because the water in the tomatoes itself is sufficient. Just remove it onto your serving bowl. For tempering, just heat a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds and also some fresh curry leaves. And pour this tempering over the chutney. Our second type, tomato onion chutney, is also ready now. Next we will make our regular coconut chutney which we usually make for idli and dosa. Here I have some chopped pieces of coconut. Say about half a coconut I have taken, and to this I am going to add 2 green chillies, a small piece of peeled ginger. This is a small piece of tamarind. If you don't have tamarind, you can even add some lemon juice later, or if you don't have that also, once you make the chutney you can even add a tablespoon of curd. And this is the roasted gram or the chutney dal, putana dal. I have taken 2 tablespoons. First dry run the mixie till it becomes a powder, then add water to it. We have not yet added salt. We can also add some salt to this. The coconut chutney has been blended to a paste. You can take it out onto your serving bowl. Now for tempering, again heat a teaspoon of oil and add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, curry leaves and a little bit of hing. Pour the tempering on top of your coconut chutney. Chutney number 3, coconut chutney, is also now ready. Our chutney number 4, we are going to make using this vegetable. This is called as Dosakaya or Mangalore cucumber or sour cucumber. Generally it comes with a greenish yellow when it is raw. As it ripens it gets a more orangish or yellow color. So you take this sour cucumber, cut it into pieces. I prefer to peel the skin, the pulp and seeds, and then cut it into pieces. For this, again take about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add a tablespoon of Channa Dal and also a tablespoon of Urad Dal to it, and fry the dals well till they are brown. When the dals are brown, add about 3 or 4 green chillies as per your taste, and then these pieces of Dosakaya or Mangalore cucumber. You don't have to fry it much now, just for a few seconds, and switch it off. Again we'll allow this to cool and blend it in the mixer with the addition of salt. Now it has cooled, we are ready to grind this. We have not added salt, so I am adding some salt now. Now it depends on your choice if you want to grind it fine or have some small bite-sized pieces in it. That also tastes very good. The Dosakaya chutney is also ready. Again we just have to do the tempering for it. Heat a teaspoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds. A little bit of urad dal, few curry leaves, and pour it on top of the Dosakaya chutney. So your chutney number 4, Dosakaya chutney, is also now ready. Now for chutney number 5, this I call as green coconut chutney. Again I have taken some pieces of coconut. This is the other half of the coconut which I have cut into pieces, and only 1 tablespoon of this roasted gram, and we are going to add a good quantity of coriander leaves which have been washed and chopped, and also 2 green chillies. Add some salt to taste and blend it into a chutney. Our chutney is now blended to a fine paste, the coconut and coriander leaves chutney. I have taken 1 small lemon, made it into a juice, and we'll add it to the chutney. Mix it well, then we can do the tempering. Now tempering for this chutney, again a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, 1 dry red chilli, I have broken it, pour it on top of the chutney. So your chutney number 5, coconut and coriander green chutney is now ready. Next for chutney number 6. This is a red chutney specially which they spread on Mysore masala dosa and other masala dosas also. For this you again take a little bit of oil in a pan, and I have chopped 1 onion here and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. This is for those who don't mind eating garlic. Now the onion and garlic are getting fried there. Here I have taken about 3 red chillies, dry red chillies. These are the Kashmiri chillies which are not spicy, and a little bit of tamarind, and I had soaked in water at the beginning of this program itself. So for about 15 minutes you can soak it and keep, and we will add this and grind the onions, garlic also with the addition of roasted gram. The onions and garlic are well fried now. Remove it, allow it to cool, and then we'll grind. For those of you who don't like to use garlic, don't worry, just omit the garlic and proceed with the rest of the recipe. The onions have cooled down now. We'll transfer it to the blender jar. Add some roasted gram to this, and now we'll also add this soaked dry red chilli and the tamarind, and use the same water for grinding also. We'll add some salt to this. We have not added any salt. The chutney is now ready. I am transferring it into the serving bowl. If you like it thick, you can keep it in this consistency, or if you want to adjust the consistency and also remove all the masala from this, just add a little water and run it for a few seconds again. I'm just adding a few curry leaves on top. You don't need to do any tempering for this chutney, because this chutney is used to spread on the dosa. You can also use it as a side dish. Both ways it will taste good. So our 6th chutney, the red chutney, is also ready. We have now groundnut chutney, tomato onion chutney, a coconut chutney, Dosakaya chutney, coconut and coriander chutney, and red chutney. So I hope you will enjoy different side dishes for your breakfast items. You can make one or a combination of these chutneys. Enjoy them with any type of breakfast. You can even spread something on your roti or dosa, idli, whatever you make. So try out the recipe, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Please come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty, homely, healthy recipes. Thank you.